and we're still waiting for the release of the film. This is Alia. Alia loves sleeping on my chest. She's so tiny. This is me during my first film. This is from my first film. I was literally a kid then. This is from an upcoming film. This is a recent picture. This is from the first schedule of my Kannada film 8. And this film is also going to come.
Hi Anurag, today we're going to show you a few of your memories and you need to tell us the stories behind them.
Okay. The first picture is this, me and Manoj sitting outside the Bangalan's house, which is Rima's house, and she played the other woman in Manoj Bajpayee's life, Sardar Khan's life. And we are discussing the scene because we were shooting there. We shot there for 2 days only. And we are going to shoot a sequence when Definite is just, she's just pregnant with Definite. He's not yet born. And I don't know what I'm taking Manoj Bajpayee through, but I'm taking him through something. And that's the scene that we are going to shoot. This picture is from there. Manoj has been my big inspiration to join theatre. The first play I saw had Manoj in it, called Netua. And I have always loved him as an actor. Saw him in Bandit Queen. I recommended him for a film that never got made. In turn, he recommended me for Satya. So he's a big role to play in my career. Till date, when I'm casting and I'm looking for new actors, I seek his approval. He helps me a lot with casting, even though I have not worked so much with him in recent times since Wazipur, but we intend to do so soon. Next is this image. This image is from the sets of Dobara. I know it from the t-shirt and my glasses because I lost my favorite glass with the blue sides. And this is just before I got sick and I put on weight. So this is my last of the Mohicans days, last of the fitness days. This is from the sets of Nishanchi. I'm just looking at the monitor. So I'm very happy with the shot. This is one of those sequences that was improvised where the mother's character is washing the dishes and the husband comes in laughing, Vineet Kumar Singh, and he's like, "Tum to yaar bahut gajab ho." And then they went on improvising. I didn't say cut. It is a single shot scene. I'm very happy with the way the scene was going. And it was just flowing. Both the actors just went into it. And that sequence in the house of Monika's character, Manjari. Now, this is again from Nishanchi. And this is me doing the last minute rewrite for Bhola Pehlwan. Rakesh ji plays Bhola Pehlwan in this. And this is before he's giving the speech. Everybody must die. So that is the speech. I'm just doing the last minute changes and he's going through it. And this is at the Khada we are shooting. It always depends on the actor, in the sense when with the actor and new things come in. So I do these last minute tweaks and things and changes. Most of the time the things like are last minute or improvised. Like Tumse Na Ho Payega was improvised by Tigmanshu Dhulia. The dialogues like that, the whole the ugly police station sequence. The Nishanchi police station scene. There's a lot of things. Everybody Must Die was the last minute. This is Man Marziyan. This is one of the beginning sequences. It's in the title sequence. And we are trying to put a side rig. And I'm showing the actors to them how they will be seen. And this is Tapsi is driving the scooter and Vicky is sitting behind it and we are next to a bridge. And as the bridge goes down, they're like going up. It's one of those title sequences of Man Marziyan. It's shot in Amritsar. And this is one of the early days of the shoot. This is from the premiere of Kennedy at Cannes. This is Rahul Bhatt and Sunny, and we were playing for the first time at the Palais. And it was a very overwhelming moment. And this was the world premiere of Kennedy. And that's where this picture is from. And we're still waiting for the release of the film. This is a police station sequence from AK versus AK. This is Motwani, who was the director. And this Anil Kapoor is very pissed off with me in this scene, and he's holding me by the collar and I'm like being defiant. I know this is not police station. This is that sequence where I first time proposed to him the film. This is from his vanity van. The sequence is from his vanity van. And he holds my collar and I'm like very defiant and say, you have to do this film because the film is started. The shoot has already started and the camera is rolling. And your daughter has been kidnapped. And now you have to find it and the camera will keep rolling. It's that sequence. This is me and my producer, Ranjan Singh. He's produced, we go back some 20, 21 years. He produced Nishanchi, he's produced Kennedy. He has been my friend, my partner, and he's been there for me for the longest time. And this is, we are wearing the same t-shirt from Tony Montana from Scarface, which is the, also like, you know, we played on that character, and Bablu was called Tony Montana in Nishanchi. So he got this t-shirt made for us to wear. So this is us sitting there together during the first schedule of the film. This is a very nostalgic picture. This is my college days. These are our friends. He was in the army. He took a voluntary retirement. He's still in the army. He is in Mumbai. This friend. This is me. This is my assistant Tanvi's mother, Divya. She's an amazing singer. This is a friend called Anuradha. That's Aarti Bajaj, the editor. She's the one who's edited all of mine, Imtiaz Ali and Victoria Motwani's film. Mother of Alia. And my partner, that's my friend Ajay Pridarshi. And this is the gang. And we are sitting in college. And this is from 1992. This area was called Lovers Point in Hansraj College. And this is 1992. My fondest memory, nothing. I used to play hockey. And we used to cycle to Chanakya on Sundays to watch movies. And that's where I discovered cinema and theatre in a much bigger way. And we both came to Bombay to get into filmmaking. She got into XIC. I didn't get anywhere. I just started working. This is Alia. Alia used to love sleeping on my chest. She was so tiny. And I just totally, my films were banned, but we were always playing small, stupid games that we can't anymore. And she had eyes only for me. This is extremely emotional for me. She's so grown up and married now. This is me during my first film. This is like one of those sequences where all the boys jumped into the pool and they're killing Luke. And I was directing, and I was also being the double for my actors because nobody knew how to swim. So I was being the double for my actor. I was doing all the swimming sequences as well as I was directing. This is from my first film. I was literally a kid then. I think I must be 27. This picture is me in Delhi in front of a group of college students. It was a conversation during the promotion of Dobara. And because when I shot Dobara, you saw the earlier picture, I was at my fittest. And when it was releasing, I was post my sickness. I'd put on weight. So that's the difference. So I know it's from there. And this is me interacting with college students in Delhi. This is from an upcoming film. This is a recent picture. It's from the first schedule of this film called Dakat with Adavi. And I play Swami, Inspector Swami. And this film is not yet released. It will be releasing next year. The look is already out, so I can talk about it. And the teaser is also out. And this film will be in cinemas in March next year. Oh, this is a very recent. This is the most recent picture. I was on the same flight, and Dravid was on the flight, but I was sleeping on the flight. I didn't see him. When we got out of the flight, we were in the same bus, and then I saw him, and I was so like gobsmacked, and the whole fanboy in me came out, and people were taking pictures with him, and people were taking pictures with me, and I wanted all of them to go away so that I can take a picture with him. And this is right before we enter the terminal. Getting out of the bus before we entered the terminal. It was very numbing. It was just very quiet. And also, when he said that, all the best and thanks for all the work you do, I was like, oh, he knows me. For him knowing me, it's like very special. He's literally the hero is also literally his patience, the wall. And then when we went to the steps, the way he ran up the steps, and I was taking the escalator, I was like, oh, there goes the sportsman. This is me and Motwani, and we are like buddies, chaddi buddies, in the sense that cinema chaddi buddies. He has taught me so much. He's always been there, always my biggest critique, and a big support system. And at the moment, again, I'm writing, after AK versus AK, I'm again writing something for him. So I hope it gets realized soon. And in good times, bad times, he's always there. Ishika is always there. Like, I just love him too much. We have a lot of disagreements. We also sometimes there are things like, you know, I would let him go do whatever he wants to do with my film. He has never allowed me to do that on his film, but yeah, I trust him enough to let him take charge, and he's very honest in his critiquing. It doesn't get colored by what other people say. So I love him a lot because I know that it's very hard and important to have keep your honest friends around. This is again from Nishanchi. This is from Nishanchi. This is the prison sequence, the designed fight sequence, and where Aishwarya is literally given his all in the scene. And while he was shooting this scene, I was eating Rahim ki nihari with kulcha. This is me and Rod, and this is from when we were shooting Mukkabaz. This was when we were shooting Mukkabaz, and he, as first time working with him, he had done a lot of Rohit Shetty film. I had never worked with him, and I was like, will he be able to do realistic action? He was like, will he let me do what I want to do? And I think then I realized he's the gentle giant. He's so giant, he intimidates you with the way he appears. And he's literally the gentle giant. This is from the first schedule of my Kannada film 8. This is the whole crew and the director. He's the director. And the crew is after the first schedule we wrapped up of 8. And this film is also going to come next year. This is the most recent picture, more recent than my Rahul Dravid picture. This is why I am here in Dubai. This is the Sanj, this is Badr and his team, and my actor, producer, the whole team. They brought Kennedy to Dubai for Sanj, and I'm very grateful to them and him and Lekha and the whole people at the Mitti Film Festival. And we screened the movie to great reception. So this is the picture from here from 21st.